Hello everybody, and this is another video on Clash of Clans. As you can see, I upgraded my base and I upgraded my Town Hall to level 3 and my cannon to level 2. And my barracks is still upgrading to level 2. But I did check on my defense log and this is what I got. Also I got my this is where I got my 30 trophies from. Let's just replay that. Yeah. Let's clear some obstacles. Can I move this? No. Oh, now you give me this. Nothing too much going around there. Oh, you know what? Let's start bookmarking some clans. What about SCT? Juggernaut X. Wait, Elder is earned by time, Ghost earned by trust and loyalty. Pretty neat clan. Weed Hammer. What's this clan? Okay, if I get to silver, I can join that clan. You know what? It's closed. Wait, no. The Defenders. It's that clan. This clan's closed also. Should I gem? Well, we can get up the gems from the trees and rocks, so why not? Yay, achievement. Oh, something I forgot to mention you is that I connected to Google Play. See, you can change name. Ooh, what's this? ClashCon. Okay. Wait, what? Is ClashCon like a Minecon but only for Clash of Clans? I don't know. I do know there's new leagues and the Darkspell Factory. The rise of the Master Spellcasters and Legends. Other improvements. blah 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 la la la. Okay, finish. More. We should start attacking. That's the go 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 go. Let's not equal. Yeah, there. Balanced it out. Oh, and do you know that thing that says recordable Mobi? That's the app I'm using to record on screen. But how did I lose one trophy? Should I revenge him? You know what? Let's visit him first. He got pretty wrecked, so no. I have one question for the Clash of Clans makers. Why do the village maidens always clap to trees? Like, look at that. Look at that. I'm calling this one Samantha. Chris and Sandy. Yep, Samantha, Chris, and Sandy. Ah, man. On my other account, I had the friend in need donate one. You know what? I was always donating to my friends. I was donating like 236, like that's the total amount, but I don't know. But we will finish, but we will go and attack USA and then or anyone that attacks me in the next video. Bye!